I'm Anna Gaffney and I'm the founder of Cook for Your Life. And sometimes during chemo treatment it can be really difficult to be able to drink water. The taste changes that the drugs make you go through can be really difficult. So I'm going to show you a quick way to transform just regular iced water into something really quite wonderful. So it's so easy. We're going to take some cucumber and some mint. If you use cucumber for other things, you can actually just use the skins to do this, because cucumber is pretty flavorful, but we're just going to be slicing it today. So I've washed it, so I'm not even going to, I'm just going to slice it really thinly. You'll be amazed how much flavor this gives to it. And also it just would help get away that metallic taste that so often comes with chemo treatment. Okay, let's see. Let's get a fork to muddle it. Now, the last thing I'm going to put in there is some mint. Now, I'm just going to cut these little ends off. Okay, so we're just going to literally put all of this in there. Again, I'm just going to muddle it. Now, I'm just going to put that in the fridge. Now, leave it for like an hour to steep, and this is just going to be delicious cucumbery minty water, really simple. Now, if you find that just plain water doesn't really suit you, you can put half a glass of this and then top it up with club soda to give you a little kind of, soda-y feel, if you like. So you've got a little tickle, which a lot of people like to have it just rather than just plain water. So this is it. It's really simple. Cucumber mint water.